I bought some lenses, lens filter for Mavic 2 Pro. Sunnylife. This for taking off lens, and in the box we have Fore, ND8, ND4 and CPL and MCUV. And this is very good lenses. Okay, so first of all we must take out this original lens who come with the Mavic Pro 2 with Hasselblad camera. We must take out this, and many say it's not easy to take out this. It sits very hard, not easy. So when I bought these lenses in my pack, I got this, so we will use it. Because you have to twist. Okay, we take it on like this and test. Wow, easy. See here. So quick. Here it is. And now we can take on some of this new. We can take filter, ND4, ND8. There's on. There's little bit technique to get this on. My new filter, ND4 Sunnylife. There's a little bit technique to get it on. But here it is. Take it off is much more easy because I use this who come with lenses. There. Very easy. I can think if I don't have this, I think it could be big trouble to get it off, because I think it sit hard. So this little thing here do it easy to get lens off. And to take this on, this from Sunnylife, it's a little bit little trick to do it. Here is the lens to come from GGI. It's then Hasselblad on it. This is the original who come with the drone, and this is ND4 filter from Sunnylife. CPL. There. There. So it's a little bit, if you know how to do it like I do now, it's do it in 1 second. But if you don't know this little way to do it, you can sit there and be a little bit angry because you don't get it. So here, CPL. They sit perfectly, see? Very nice. CPL from Sunnylife, we take it off. We use this. It's very easy. There. And this is very quality lenses from Sunnylife. It's fantastic material. They are good. There. Perfect. And the